Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today I want to show you how you can easily make money on a daily basis using Cash App. You will be making money with Cash App by selling Bitcoin. This is an extremely simple process. It actually is unbelievable how easy it is, but I want to tell you that it is possible, and it is simple to get started, very easy to get started, and most importantly, it is legal and legitimate. Now, in saying that, you need to understand that I'm not a financial advisor. You need to do your due diligence when you're looking into investing in anything. Do your research and make your own decision based off of your research. Okay. These are simply my opinions, and this is for your information. All right. So let's get started here. What you're looking at is the the Cash App screen. All right. When you log in, this is what you see. So at the bottom, you have different options, different categories to go under. Okay, I'm on the cash screen. So you have the stock tab there, and then you have on the far right, you have the Bitcoin tab. Yes, Cash App does offer cryptocurrency. The only cryptocurrency right now that's available is Bitcoin, which is the top of all cryptocurrencies right now. One Bitcoin, as you can see here, is worth $37,265 right now. And that is going up and down constantly as the market is very volatile. So it's always going up, always going down. All right. So let's look at something here. All right. As you can see, my balance is $504. All right. So just a few minutes ago, I'd say about a half hour ago, it was around 500. So my gains, my profits have gone up $4 in just a half hour. If you look at the bottom left, I have sold $3 already earlier today that I gained. So what I'm going to do right now is show you how easy it is to profit daily. I'm going to sell $4, which is what I just profited. I'm going to do that right now. Go in here, just literally type in the amount. Type in the amount that you want to sell, and it asks you for your code, your own personal PIN code, which I wasn't going to show that. And so as you can see here, it's asking me to confirm $4. I'm selling $4 of Bitcoin, right? So I hit confirm, and there it is. It's confirming the sale. You hit done. And so basically it transferred that $4 into my cash account at the bottom. So you can see it added $4. I'm at $7 now. So it put my Bitcoin balance back at $500. So I didn't do anything other than what you just saw. I didn't do anything for that profit. Bitcoin is constantly going up and down, and it can shoot up, 10% in one day easily. Mind you, it can also go down 10% in one day. So the thing is, and I'm being totally transparent here, you're not going to be taking profits every day, because sometimes the market does go down, and it can go down for a couple of days. But the thing is, when you're in a bull market, when it's going up consistently, you can sell profits on a regular basis for several days in a row. So what you want to do is invest what you are comfortable investing. Get started with $10, $20, whatever you can afford, and just check it out, take a look at it. and get started on your Bitcoin journey and your cryptocurrency journey. I think it's an amazing way to make a side income. Now, think about it. If you invested 4,000, 8,000, and you just sat back and took your profits on a daily basis, you could actually generate a solid part-time income with this, or full-time income, depending on what the market is doing at that time. All right. So I just kind of wanted to show you this. I mean, it's absolutely amazing that Cash App has this feature that allows you to invest in Bitcoin. All right. So, and like I showed you in other videos, I'm going to hit the stock tab, which is next to Bitcoin there. You can also invest in stocks. All right. So, okay, I don't want to, that's showing my, all right. So I won't go into a lot of detail, but you can see, the publicly traded stocks that are very popular. Tesla, Apple, Nvidia, Amazon, Google, which is Alphabet, Meta, which is Facebook, Netflix. You can invest in any of these companies anytime, at any, I mean, it's amazing. I don't know how Cash App was able to partner with the stock market like this, but I tell you what, it's an amazing opportunity, and it allows just about anyone from any walk of life to get started on their investment journey. And I just think that's an amazing thing, a blessing to mankind. So there you have it. If you have any questions or comments, I tell you what, give me your, if you have any comments on like your experience with investing, what do you think about the stock and Bitcoin option in Cash App? Tell me what your experiences are below. All right. And thanks again. And also, I will leave a link below for you to get started with Cash App if you haven't done so already. But again, sign up. Once you deposit $5, or I'm sorry, once you send, what they require is you send anyone $5, and Cash App will give you $5 to start on your investment journey, or you can simply cash it out. But if you want to do that and you don't know anyone, if you were to send me the $5, I will return it right to you so you can get started. That's up to you. But if you know someone personally, I would suggest doing that. Send them the $5, and then you can set that up. If they send it back or not, you can still start your investment journey today. All right. Have a good rest of the day, and look out for a new video coming soon.